How to enable the game mode in Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, if you wish to enable the game mode in your Windows 11 computer, then this video is for you. Enabling the game mode gives you some fair advantages that the Windows will automatically optimize your system based upon the performance that it requires. So basically, if the Windows detects that you are playing or activating a game, then most of the resources of your computer system will be diverted towards the game that you are playing, so that you have a lag free and a smooth experience while playing the particular game. So let us demonstrate how you can enable the game mode in Windows 11. So to enable the game mode, the first thing that you need to do is simply hover your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and then onto this start button right here, simply right click onto this start button. And once you have right clicked onto the start button, you can see this option of settings. So simply click onto this settings option and you will be led to the settings of your Windows 11 computer. Then under the settings page, you can see this particular separate tab of gaming right here on the left. So simply click onto this gaming tab and you will have three options. So you need to click onto this third and the last option that says game mode. Optimize your PC for play. So simply click onto this game mode and here you can see that the game mode is currently turned off. So simply click onto this on toggle and the game mode will be enabled. The game mode says that it optimizes your PC for playing by running things off in the background. So if you wish to learn more about the game mode, simply click onto this link and this will lead you to the official Xbox website, and from here you can find more details about the same. So that's it for this video on how to enable the game mode. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving us a like and tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.